I'm in. I said I'm going down south, make no difference what shape I'm in. I'm going down to the Delta, I'm gonna party at Hoover's there. I'm looking to have a good time with very little money to spend. Said I'm looking to have a good time, very little money to spend. Going down to the Delta, I'm gonna party at Hoover's Den. Something about the Delta that's not understood. It's the Southern hospitality that make me feel good. I'm going down to the Delta, make no difference what shape I'm in. I'm going down to the Delta, I'm gonna party at the Hoover Den.